Hello, in this video we will learn about instructions for troubleshooting hydraulic systems. In early times, troubleshooting process in hydraulic systems was completely trial and error fix. The process was very time consuming, costly and could even lead to adding more problems in hydraulic systems. At the same time, with the breakdown and replacement of each part, chances of adding significant contamination in system were high. Today, maintenance experts can easily and in short time diagnose problems in systems with a logical troubleshooting technique. To use troubleshooting technique, you must keep following points in mind. 1. Correct understanding and knowledge of the performance of all components and the parts of the system. 2. Existence of complete and up-to-date circuit diagram. Any change, correction in the system must be updated in circuit. It is best to keep the modified diagram with the necessary handbook, parts list, service instructions and spare parts list close to the system for quick access. 3. The list of parts must include the name, part number of all parts and the names of their manufacturers. 4. Diagram or flow chart of the system operation including details, order and sequence of speed, pressure settings of pressure relief valves and engines, speed of cylinders, pressure reducing valves etc. I hope this video will help you in troubleshooting your hydraulic system. Good day.